When your cat looks at you, do you know what they actually see? Not a human, not an owner, not a different species. They see a cat. A large, slow, mostly hairless cat, but a cat. And once you understand that, everything your cat has ever done around you suddenly makes complete sense. Every signal, every behavior, every moment of closeness they've offered you. It all comes from one extraordinary assumption your cat made about you a long time ago. Let's talk about what that assumption really means. Number 1, you are not their owner, you are their colony. Most people think there's a clear dynamic. You're the human, they're the pet. Simple. Here's what's actually happening. Cats don't think in hierarchies the way dogs do. They don't follow leaders. What they have instead is a colony, a small, trusted group they live alongside, sleep near, and share their world with. You are in that colony, not as the owner, as a member, as one of them. This is why your cat doesn't obey commands. It's not stubbornness. Obedience simply doesn't exist in their social world. Colony members don't command each other. They coexist. They communicate. They choose. And every single time your cat chooses to be near you, that choice means something. It means in their mind, you are not a keeper, you are family. And by the way, if your cat has ever groomed you, licked your hand or your hair, don't brush that off. We'll come back to what that actually means at the end, and it's something most owners never fully realize. Number 2, science proved it, and the finding is extraordinary. Researchers at the University of Sussex, led by cat behavior scientist Dr. John Bradshaw, studied how cats interact with humans versus how they interact with other cats. What they found changed everything. Cats use the exact same behavioral vocabulary with humans that they use with each other. The slow blink, the tail-up greeting, the head bunt, pressing their body along yours as they pass. These are not special human behaviors your cat invented. These are cat-to-cat social signals, applied to you without any modification at all. Your cat didn't develop a separate language for humans. They simply extended their feline social language to include you. Here's what that actually means. Your cat is not communicating down to you like a different species. They are speaking to you the way they speak to the most trusted member of their own kind. That is the highest form of social inclusion a cat is capable of. They didn't lower their standards to include you. They raised you to their level. Number 3, they are making you smell like home. Here's where it gets even more powerful. Cats in a colony create what behaviorists call a group scent, a shared invisible signature that says, "We belong together. You are safe. You are one of us." Your cat builds that signature with you every single day. Every cheek rub, every forehead press, every slow walk past your legs with their tail raised. They are applying their scent to your body, adding you to their colony signature, making you smell like home to them. Researchers call this allomarking. In wild colonies, it signals to every other cat, "This one is mine. This one is family. This one is not a threat." You walk around every day carrying your cat's invisible claim, not as a possession, as a beloved member of their world. Now, before we keep going, if this is changing how you see your cat, hit like and subscribe. That's how we get these videos to more cat owners who want to truly understand their cat. Number 4, why your cat meows at you, but not at other cats. Here is something that will reframe everything. Adult cats in the wild do not meow to each other. Meowing is a kitten behavior. Kittens meow to get their mother's attention, to signal hunger, discomfort, the need for care. Adult feral cats are almost completely silent with one another. But your cat meows at you constantly. Dr. Bradshaw's research suggests cats adapted this kitten-to-mother vocal behavior specifically for humans. They discovered over thousands of years that the sounds that once reached their mother also work remarkably well on you. Your cat is not just treating you as a fellow cat,
In some moments, they are treating you as the one who provides, protects, and responds, the one whose attention means safety. When your cat meows at you, they are reaching back to the deepest wiring they have, the instinct to call out to the one who cares for them most. In those moments, you are not just their colony member, you are their whole world. Now, before we keep going, if this is changing how you see your cat, hit like and subscribe. That's how we get these videos to more cat owners who want to truly understand their cat. Number 5. They didn't accept everyone, just you. This is where most owners don't give themselves enough credit. Cats in multi-person households do not distribute trust equally. They observe. They assess every person the same way they would evaluate a potential colony member in the wild. How you move, how you speak, whether you've ever forced contact, whether you can be trusted when they're vulnerable. And then they make a decision. The slow blink, the head bunt, sleeping pressed against your body. These go to the person who passed the assessment, not to strangers, not to the person who reaches too fast or doesn't read their signals. To you. You weren't assigned to them. You were chosen by them, by a creature whose survival instincts are still completely intact. That is not a small thing. Now, when they groom you, this is what they're saying. Remember when I mentioned your cat licking your hand or your hair? This is what I was talking about. Grooming is the most intimate social behavior in a cat's entire world. In a colony, cats only groom the members they are most deeply bonded to. It is not casual, it is not random, it is reserved for the inner circle. When your cat licks you, they are not cleaning you. They are performing the highest social ritual they have. They are treating you the way they would treat the cat they love most. Think about that for a second. A creature with every survival instinct fully intact, choosing to bring their face close to yours, making themselves completely vulnerable, not because they have to, because in their mind, you are their person. That is not a pet behavior. That is love, expressed in the only language they ever knew. So, the next time your cat slow blinks at you, rubs their face on your hand, or curls up pressed against you, you know what's happening. They don't see a human. They see a colony member, a trusted companion, someone who belongs in their world as completely as you belong in yours. That's not a pet tolerating their owner. That's a cat who looked at you, assessed you with every instinct they have, and decided, this one is mine. That gentle head bunt against your face was never just affection. It was your cat telling you in the oldest language they know, you are one of us. That was never small to them. It shouldn't be small to you either.